Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to pin the Magnifier tool to the taskbar in Windows 10. Pinning the Magnifier tool to the taskbar allows for quick and easy access whenever you need it. Let's get started. Step 1. Begin by clicking on the Start button located at the bottom left corner of your screen. In the search bar, type Magnifier and press Enter. This will open up the Magnifier app. Step 2. Once the Magnifier app is open, right-click on it. A context menu will appear. From the context menu, select the option that says Pin to Taskbar. This action will pin the Magnifier tool to your taskbar for convenient access. And that's it. You have successfully pinned the Magnifier tool to your taskbar in Windows 10. Now, whenever you need to use the Magnifier tool, simply click on its icon on the taskbar. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.